Namhlanje ngithi choose to be a doer, stay action orientated. A couple of years back ngisanda qala emsebenzini ngabizwa nje insizwa yomlungu yayisikhulile yathi kumina Thulane woza la mfana wami yasithi kumina ngifuna wazi ukuthi njengoba usufikela emsebenzini you'll always find 3 people wherever you go. There are people who make things happen. There are people who watch others make things happen. And then you will find those who will wake up not knowing what happened, you know. Namhlanje ngifuna ukubuza umlaleli, which one are you, you know? Uma sibuka the first one, those guys who make things happen, these are the doers, you know. There's a guy nje manje wase Newcastle mfethu Manqoba, story sakhe singimpacte kakhulu, ungitexte over the weekend. Ugraduateile is one of the people abagraduateile, kodwa mangithola istory sakhe, ngithola ukuthi wafaila 3 times umatric, you know. Ama-doers, they don't focus on their shortcomings. They always find a way ukuthi ngisho ngathi izinto zinzima, they do. Uma emsebenzini kuba nama-projects, ama-doers aya-volunteer, they wanna be part of a project. Those are the people. Kuthiwa lana action breeds experience, which leads to success, you know. Namhlanje ngifuna ube yi-doer. You need to move from these other categories amabili. Let me focus on the watchers. These are the people who always watch other people do things, you know. Ama-watchers, they gossip about doers. They always find izinto engekho right. Ukhulumile lamageza ngathinteka because there are people who joined ama-organizations, they're driven. They wanted to be great things kulawo ma-organizations, but bayithola sebejoin abantu aba-wrong. Now they are watchers in the organization. Bahleze becomplaina ngama-systems. Le organization, culture yale organization is this and that. Umuntu yabacubungula mfethu abanayo into tangible because they don't do, but they watch others do. These are the people who are knowledgeable, but umuntu yabatracer, they don't have anything abayenzayo, you know. I'm not going to spend time kuma wanderers because laba abantu aba-attend ama-meeting bengaphathanga ama-notes, they don't know what the meeting is all about. Mabephuma emeetingini futhi ubabuza ukuthi what was the meeting all about? They wouldn't tell you. Why? Because nje ba abantu abahleze bengazi kwenzakalani. Kufika imigwaqo yama-project abasebenzi, they're not gonna send their CVs, angeke bazama ukuthola umsebenzi, bazobona nje umgwaqo usuphelile. They had opportunities to work there but abenzi lutho. Uma sengiconclude mfethu, we can all become ama-doers. Khona enye quote statement esasingithinta kakhulu ngikhula ukuthi ngangiba nama-ideas, uthola ukuthi manga-actanga kulawo ma-ideas ngizobona uMageza eseqala ibhizinisi ebengilicabanga ukuthi ngifuna ukuliqala, but ama-ideas they are like clouds, you know. They drift away. Ubone ama-ideas akhe seyenziwa abanye abantu. Why? Because ungenzi whatever that God is entrusting you with, izohamba leyo nto iyonikezwa abanye abantu. What is it that you're going to stop watching and start doing this week as we start this week? In order to change lives, we need to be doers. Last point ebengafuna ukulimenshina, eBhayibhelini khona istory esibuhlungu uthi uNkulunkulu ozwa izwi angalenzi ufana nalo ofika ayibuka esibukweni bese ayikhohlwa ukuthi unjani. What is it that you're going to do this week? God is love.